In less than 1 minute, I'm going to show you my 5 favorite new updates to Quizizz because they're all focused on ramping up the fun for students. Number 1, there are now these teacher power-ups that you can use in a game to interact with your students, whether you give them points or you glitch their screens, but you now can get involved in the game. Number 2, we now have student-to-student interactions. We have this new game mode, Strike and Shield, in which students can either strike down someone's points or they can shield their own points, which means that students in the game are having a whole lot more student-to-student interactions than ever before. Number 3, now when students finish a game, there's an opportunity for them to play some of our mini games while they wait. Number 4, we now have a brand new mini game in Mastery Peak called Circle Wars, which is simple and addicting and students are loving it. And finally, we now have custom avatars for Mastery Peak, where your students can customize their avatars and change a whole bunch of different things before they head up that mountain. And those are my 5 favorite new updates to Quizizz.